Hi guys, hope you are doing well. After launching VIVO X80 and VIVO X80 Pro premium flagship smartphones in April 2022. Now VIVO has launched its latest device VIVO X90 series, consisting of the VIVO X90, VIVO X90 Pro, and the VIVO X90 Pro Plus on the 22nd of November 2022. We will discuss the features of VIVO X90 Pro Plus. First, we talk about its design or body material. It has two variants. The first variant has a glass front and eco leather on the back, which gives it a premium look. And in the second variant, glass can be seen on the front and back, which provides a glossy look. If you look at its backside, you can see the circular camera module on the top left side. An under-display fingerprint is used. If we talk about its body dimension, then the height of VIVO X90 Pro Plus is 164.35 mm, 75.29 mm width, and thickness is of 9.7 mm. Its weight is 221 grams. If we talk about the display then, the VIVO X90 Pro Plus has 6.78 inches LTPO for Samsung AMO LED 2K E6 display. It comes with the higher refresh rate of 120 Hz and 517 ppi density. 1800 peak brightness for clarity even in bright daylight. And 1200 Hz touch sampling rate. Let's talk about the operating system. It uses Android 13 OS. And the layer of Origin OS 3 is used on it, which improves its user interface. The VIVO X90 Pro Plus is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And VIVO V2 chip has been used, which increases the ratio of energy efficiency. And in the CPU octa-core, we get to see one CPU of 3.2 GHz and 4 CPUs of 2.8 GHz, 3 CPUs of 2.0 GHz. And a faster GPU of Adreno 740, which is good for graphics. Twin Icefield cooling plates of 8,900 mm have been used for gaming, which prevents the phone from heating up. If we talk about the memory capacity, then it comes with LPDDR5X RAM and USF 3.1 internal storage. Two memory variants are seen in it. 12 GB plus 256 GB. 12 GB plus 512 GB. There is no microSD card slot because it has enough memory to save your important files and data. The VIVO X90 Pro Plus has a quad camera setup. Primary 50 megapixel camera with f1.75 aperture. It uses Sony's advanced IMX989 1-inch sensor. And it also has the feature of VIVO Vivid, which will make your image quality professional. Portrait 50 megapixel camera with f1.6 aperture. It uses Sony's IMX758 sensor, which is going to be a great portrait camera. Third 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture. And it also uses Sony's IMX589 sensor. And fourth 64 megapixel periscope camera with f3.5 aperture. OmniVision's OV64B sensor is used in this camera. If you look at its optical zoom, it has 100x Zeiss ultra clear zoom, in which you can easily record up to 8K video. And Dual HDR technology is also used, which improves the quality of videos. Some sample pictures of the VIVO X90 Pro Plus are available for you to see. Here, if we talk about front camera, then we get 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.45 aperture. VIVO X90 series camera lenses are developed by Zeiss company, which is a good camera lens manufacturing company. Let's talk about the connectivity then. 5th generation technology 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 is given. If we talk about the battery, the VIVO X90 Pro Plus comes with a massive and non-removable 4700 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery with 50-watt wireless charging and 80-watt fast charging support, which can charge your phone 100% in 33 minutes only. It is available in 2 colors, black and red. Let's talk about the price of VIVO X90 Pro Plus. This phone has been launched in the China market on the 22nd of November 2022. If you look at its current market price in China, there are 2 variants. First variant is 6,499 yuan. And second variant 6,999 yuan. If we convert it into different currencies. First variant, $910 US, 75,000 Indian rupees, 2,04,000 Pakistani rupees, 93,500 Bangladeshi taka. Second variant, $980 US, 80,000 Indian rupees, 2,19,000 Pakistani rupees, 1,05,000 Bangladeshi taka. Remember that all these prices are converted to yuan and do not include any tax. So guys, what do you think about VIVO X90 Pro Plus? Which feature do you like? And what is your opinion about its price? Do tell us in the comments section. If you find this video informative, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Stay tuned with us. Goodbye, and take care.